start our first lesson of history. What is history? There are four main topics in this lesson. First is history, a science that tells us about events in past. Second, the scientific method of history. Third is history and us. And fourth one is the past and the future. Now let's start with the first topic, history, a science that tells us about events in the past. History is a science that tells us about events in the past. The day of our birth is past. You are 10 years old, this is present. You shall be 20 years old is future. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. जे past मध्ये घडलं ते अंडरस्टँड करणारं सायन्स. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Now see second topic, the scientific method of history. Every science needs some evidence to prove and method of using some test to check or to determine whether those evidence are reliable or trustworthy is called scientific method. The recreation of events happened in the past is not possible. So history uses scientific methods and takes help from other sciences. While collecting evidence, examining them and to putting them together, they takes help from other sciences. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. To know about the history, there are some sources are available. Material sources, written sources, oral sources. These are some sources. Ancient objects, buildings, forts, sculptures, pots, coins, books, traditional stories, songs, poems are some sources. Look at this picture. Here is fort, sculpture, coins, some buildings. These are some sources. To find out what happened, how it happened, all these sources collected and examined to see its reliability. With the help of these evidence, past events are put in a proper sequence and historic accounts is written. This is the scientific method. History and us. Individual or collective actions of human affects day-to-day life. For example, people should work together for progress of village. If they cannot come together, village cannot be developed. History provides guidelines about how we should behave today in order to shape a good future. म्हणजे जर मला मागच्या वर्षी मार्क कमी पडले तर ते मी अभ्यास केला नाही म्हणून, पण फ्युचरमध्ये पुढच्या वर्षी जर मला मार्क चांगले हवे असतील तर मी आत्ता अभ्यास केला पाहिजे प्रेझेंटमध्ये. धिस इज हाऊ वी कम टू नो बिकॉज पास्ट मीन्स हिस्ट्री. Everything has their own history. History tells us about many discoveries, inventions that brought important changes in our life. The past and the future. The past, present and future are linked together. For example, we can say India became independent nation on 15th August 1947, which is the result of lots of collective struggles of Indian people. Today's India is present. All of you and your further life is future, and it is linked with freedom fighters struggle for independence. In the same way, we can say inventions of today are only possible on the foundations of discoveries made in the past. Okay, I hope you all have understood what is history.